Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on to 4.2 from the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 1, and this deals with the constructing a Lego blocks. So it's measurements and representations of the physical world topic. So they've given us a diagram here with the construction of a toy car using Lego blocks, and 4.2.1 is asking us to write down in the correct order of assembly for constructing a car. So we can see here that the finished product is obviously number C, because you can see it's a nice car. And to start off, so this I would say is probably step 5. And to start off is step 1, which is D. So I see that it's just the beginning block. So then to get from D, you'll need to add the bottom sort of body of the car, which looks like the B. And then you will see that the next step is, so B is probably 2. Then the next step is adding the top layer pieces to the body, which looks like happens in E. So this is the third step. Then we add the sort of window parts. So that's A. So that's step 4. And then, as I said, the last step is 5. So writing that in order, we start off with D, and then step 2 is B, and step 3 is E, step 4 is A, and finally step 5 is C. So that's the mark there. Then 4.2.2 is saying which letter, A, B, C, D, or E, fits the instruction flip over the part assembly. So you can see that at B we have the part assembly sort of upside down compared to part E. So it must be that in block E is the part that they're telling you to flip over the part assembly. Then 4.2.3 is they are saying a can of Lego blocks contains 20 red blocks, 25 blue blocks, 28 green, 30 black, and 27 white blocks. So they're going to ask us to do some probability here. So they said a block is selected randomly. So now determine what the probability is that the block is yellow. Now if you go read these the sentence again, they don't mention anything about a yellow block. So there aren't any yellow blocks. So the probability of getting a yellow is 0%. Or you can even say impossible, because it's not in the bag, the can. Cool. And then, so this is for question A. And then for number B is the same thing, but determine the amount of blue blocks. So the probability of getting a blue box, so they said there's 25, but we need to know what the total was. So the total number of blocks equals 20 red plus 25 plus 28 plus 30 plus 27. Put that all in your calculator and you get that your total is 130 blocks. So then the probability of getting a blue is that there are 25 of them and out of the possible 130. So therefore, probability of blue will equal getting 25 out of 30. And that's the final answer. You can write this as a percentage, so in your calculator, you can put that in and calculate that it comes to 19.23%. But this is an acceptable answer for 2 marks, and you get another mark for your showing your working out. And there's some probability. Before I go, I'd just like to say a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these tutorials. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.